Today's featured pickup truck is a 1984 Dodge Ram 250 Royal LE 4x4 pickup truck. And I'll read from the seller's comments at the auction. And he said, 84 Dodge Prospector Royal LE 4x4 pickup has a 360 V8 engine. And doesn't mention the mileage, but it sold for $9,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was definitely a sharp-looking truck. 3/4 ton 4x4. Can pretty much do whatever you need. Had the biggest engine available, the 360 V8 or the 5.9 liter, however you look at it. And looked good in the two-tone paint. Had some decent wheels on it and looked like it was ready to go. But this was part of the first generation of the Dodge Ram. And those came out in 1981 and went through 1993. This is basically a W250, which was the 4x4s, or they called them power Rams as well. This one also had the Prospector package on it. The two-wheel drives were just a D or a D150 or a Ram, indicated it was a two-wheel drive. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day. 1984 Dodge Ram Royal LE 250 Prospector 4x4 with a 360 that sold for $9,500 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.